We are going to see how to make your fee payments online. Please click on Fee Payments tab. Please click on Pay Fees Online. If you're an existing student, please click on Existing Student. Select a university, enter your enrollment ID and click on Submit. Once you click on Submit, you will see your name, your father's name, your date of birth, and other details like semester, university, and your batch will be shown as per the university records. You will also be able to see today's dollar rate. We'll see what are the fees pending in your account. To make the current semester fee payment, you first need to clear the previous fees till the current semester. To pay the previous fee, just click on the first year pending check boxes as you can see over here. If you want to make a part payment of any particular semester, you can select the drop down in which it says select amount, and you can either pay 25%, 50%, 75% or 100% of the total due amount. The total GST or VAT is mandatory and it is shown in the total amount upstairs. When you are making a fee payment, please make sure that at any given point you do not make a payment of an amount more than 4 lakhs. If the total due exceeds an amount of 4 lakhs, you can make 2 payments, that is the first one being for first year pendings, for example, and the second one being for the balance fees amount. This page will show you all your dues from the first year till the current semester, and all these need to be paid in full. Once you select the amount to be paid, you need to enter the email ID so that you get an online receipt for the fees that is paid. Please double check that the email ID is correct. Also, please enter the correct mobile number so that you get a message for the confirmation of the fees payment. The PAN card number which you enter over here should be of yourself or your father or some relative who is paying the fees online on your behalf. If it is your account that you're using to make the payment, please make sure you have a PAN card. If it is your father's account that you're using to make the payment, please make sure that you enter your father's PAN card. If the wrong PAN card number is entered, the fees or the transaction may be rejected. Once you fill all these details, please click on Pay Now. On the next page, you will see an overview of the payment that is due and the payment that you are about to make, both in USD and in Indian rupees as per today's dollar rate. Once you are sure of this amount, please click on Pay Now, or you can click on Back to edit any of the selections or the data that you have entered on the previous page. Upon clicking on Pay Now, a window will pop up wherein you will see the amount in Indian rupees. You can then select how you would like to make this payment, whether it's a card, which is a debit card or a credit card, or if it is net banking, or if it is a wallet, or you can also pay using UPI or a QR code. If you select net banking, you will see the most popular banks above. If you do not see your bank listed over here, please click the drop down and you will be able to select your bank from the list of banks in the drop down. Once you have selected your bank account, click on the Pay button. You will now be directed to your bank accounts page where you can enter your user ID and password, and depending on the bank, you will either get an OTP or you will have to enter a transaction ID, and then once you click Submit there, your payment has been made successfully. Please do not close the window yet. After the payment, you will come to this page which will give you an invoice number for future reference. Please take a screenshot of this page or print and download this invoice and save it for future reference. If you're making a payment of more than 4 lakhs, You can click on Pay More and go back and make the balance fees payment right now. So if I have to pay more, I will click on Pay More. Once again, I will click on Existing Student. I will select the university and enter my enrollment number. I will click on Submit. I will verify my details once again, which is my name, my father's name, my enrollment number, my semester, and all other details. I will now select the other fees which was pending before, which has to be paid by me, and I will follow the same procedure to make the payment as I did earlier. Thank you so much for viewing this video, and I hope that this helps you make your fee payment on time